let's take some time to talk about men and facial rejuvenation surgery. Many women come in for consultations for facial rejuvenation, and after their surgery, their husbands come back to me. It's really because they've seen the quality of the result and they admire the fact that we can accentuate your own natural features without feminizing or masculinizing your face. Men are different than women in many ways with regards to facial rejuvenation. But the most important is that men want to maintain their masculine, strong look. The best way to do that is to improve the jawline. It's to make a face continue to preserve its rectangular or square aspects without making it heart-shaped or too narrow in the base. The way we do that is we improve the overall jawline contour in men. And that's done best with my approach, with an approach where we're going after the deeper structures of the neck, tightening and improving the overall shape of the jawline and maintaining the masculine look in the men's face. Now, the most important thing that you need to know about facial rejuvenation if you're a man is that facial rejuvenation involves a process of healing over time. Initially, you'll be a little bit swollen and a little bit full and heavy looking, but over time, you're gonna look great as things heal. You also need to understand that men age differently than women do, and men have different facial features. Men have beards, which are much heavier and demand more blood supply, so men are at risk for different types of complications during and after surgery as well. These are all important concepts to discuss at the preoperative visit, but the most important idea with male faceless surgery is maintaining a strong jawline and a masculine look. How do I do that in men's facelifts, and how is it different than women's facelifts? Well, number one, it's all about, again, approaching the jawline and creating a defined and sharp contour along the lateral edge of the mandible. Number two, it's about the appropriate amount of fat grafting or utilizing fat from your own body to accentuate areas of your face that add to the squareness or to the rectangularness of your face and don't create too much of a heart shape. So in men, we'll focus on fat grafting to the lateral cheek as opposed to the central cheek, or we'll focus on fat grafting around the brow as opposed to necessarily the temples. There are many different ways that we can improve the quality of the result for men. One other thing that I recommend for all male facelifts after surgery is an approach to improve the quality of the skin on the outside, because women maintain their skin very well over time, and even in their late 60s and 70s, women have had a lifetime of interventions to improve the quality of their skin topically. Men usually have totally neglected their skin up to this point in surgery. And so we can reverse the signs of aging in the skin, like the brown spots that show with aging and the red spots that are there, with a very high quality laser or skin-based, energy-based treatment for the skin, such that it'll help remove some of those signs of sun exposure. And for men, this is a big deal because it also can help to remove potentially precancerous lesions and other lesions that need to be looked at. This is important because you'll have texture improvements of the quality of your skin, tightness will come back, and you'll have those other key features highlighted by the surgical procedure that I perform. So I think it's really important as a man to understand that, number one, if you're coming for facial rejuvenation, you want to go to somebody that can respect the differences between masculine and feminine features and can preserve them. Number two, someone who can create a great jawline and neck. So look at the results for their women and for other people that have had surgery in their practice, and look at that jawline, because that's where the most valuable part of the surgery is for men. And number three, somebody who can understand and modulate the quality of the skin specifically in men to help improve the quality of the result over time.